FaceTime is a very popular Apple service. It lets you make audio and video calls between Apple devices. So if you just got a new iPhone 12 series phone and wondering how you can make FaceTime call for the very first time, in this video we will show you how to set it up. Let's check it out. First, make sure you're signed in with your Apple ID and also you have a good internet connection. Because if you have a poor internet connection, it can cause problem with your FaceTime call. Now open settings, scroll down and tap FaceTime. You will see your Apple ID. Tap on it. Now tap return on the keyboard. Your Apple ID will be verified and the FaceTime will be open. Now get out of it. Open FaceTime app. Tap on the plus sign. Select the contact you want to make a call to. Tap on it. You will get both audio and video call option. Select the one you like. And the FaceTime call has started. So guys, this is the way you can make FaceTime call from your iPhone 12, 12 mini and 12 Pro Max for the very first time. Thanks for watching the video. We hope it was helpful. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and also let us know what you think about this in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.